Hello, viewers. Welcoming you all to our Healthcare Engineering YouTube channel. We bring you so many informative videos on different concepts that related to modern healthcare. I would like to welcome you all to subscribe our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get instant updates on our upcoming informative videos. Also, you can visit our blog www.learnbiomedengine.blogspot.com to learn more concepts that we share in our videos. We will be supportive in advertising your healthcare products. We can promote your healthcare events and also we can provide technical reviews for your medical devices and many online supports to boost up your healthcare business. If you are interested to get support from us, please contact us in the given mail ID. Today's video is about healthcare technology in modern medical field. Let's see the introduction part of healthcare technology in modern medical field. Healthcare changes dramatically because of technological developments from anesthetics and antibiotics to magnetic resonance imaging scanners and radiotherapy. Future technological innovation is going to keep transforming healthcare. Yet, while technologies will drive innovation, human factors will remain one of the stable limitations of breakthroughs. Let's see about health technology. Health technology is defined by the World Health Organization as the application of organized knowledge and skills in the form of devices, medicines, vaccines, procedures, and systems developed to solve a health problem and improve quality of lives. This includes the pharmaceuticals, devices, procedures, and organizational systems used in healthcare. Technology drives healthcare more than any other force, and in the future, it will continue to develop in dramatic waves. While we can glimpse and debate the details of future trends in healthcare, we need to be clear about the drivers so we can align with them and actively work to ensure the best outcomes for society as a whole. Let's see about medical technology. In today's world, technology plays an important role in every industry as well as in our personal lives. Out of all of the industries in the technology plays a crucial role in healthcare is definitely one of the most important. This merger is responsible for improving and saving countless lives all around the world. Advancements in medical technology have allowed physicians to better diagnose and treat their patients since the beginning of the professional practice of medicine. Thanks to the continuous development of technology in the medical field, countless lives have been saved and the overall quality of life continue to improve over time. Medical technology is a broad field where innovation plays a crucial role in sustaining health. Areas like biotechnology, pharmaceuticals, information technology, development of medical devices and equipment, and more have all made significant contributions to improving the health of people all around the world. From small innovations like adhesive bandages and ankle braces to larger, more complex technologies like MRI machines, artificial organs, and robotic prosthetic limbs. Technology has undoubtedly made an incredible impact on medicine. In the healthcare industry, dependence on medical technology cannot be overstated, and as a result of the development of these brilliant innovations, healthcare practitioners can continue to find ways to improve their practice from better diagnosis and surgical procedures and improved patient care. Let's see what is the role of information technology in medicine. Information technology has made significant contributions to our world, namely in the medical industry. With the increased use of electronic medical records, simply known as EMR, telehealth services, and mobile technologies like tablets and smartphones, physicians and patients are both seeing the benefits that these new medical technologies are bringing. Medical technology has evolved from introducing doctors to new equipment to use inside private practices and hospitals to connecting patients and doctors thousands of miles away through telecommunications. It is not uncommon in today's world for patients to hold video conference with physicians to save time and money normally spent on traveling to another geographic location or send health information instantaneously to any specialist or doctor in the world. Medical equipment technology. Improving quality of life is one of the main benefits of integrating new innovations into medicine. Medical technologies like minimally invasive surgeries, better monitoring systems, and more comfortable scanning equipment are allowing patients to spend less time in recovery and more time enjoying a healthy life. The integration of medical equipment technology and telehealth has also created robotic surgeries, where in some cases physicians do not even need to be in the operating room with the patient when the surgery is performed. Instead, surgeons can operate out of their home base, and patients can have the procedure done in a hospital or clinic close their own hometown, eliminating the hassles and stress of health related travel. With other robotic surgeries, the surgeon is still in the room operating the robotic devices, but the technology allows for a minimally invasive procedure that leaves patients with less scarring and significantly less recovery time. Technology and medical research. Medical scientists and physicians are constantly conducting research and testing new procedures to help prevent, diagnosis, and cure diseases, as well as developing new drugs and medicines that can lessen symptoms or treat ailments. Through the use of technology in medical research, scientists have been able to examine diseases on a cellular level to produce vaccines against them. These vaccines against life threatening diseases like malaria, polio, MMR, and more prevent the spread of disease and save thousands of lives all around the globe. In fact, the World Health Organization estimates that vaccines save about 3 million lives per year and prevent millions of others from contracting deadly viruses and diseases. Let's see the advancements in the medical field. First one, artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence has the potential to redesign healthcare completely. AI algorithms are able to mine medical records, design treatment plans, or create drugs way faster than any current actor on the healthcare palette, including any medical professional. Atomwise uses supercomputers that root out therapies from a database of molecular structures. Virtual reality. Virtual reality is changing the lives of patients and physicians alike. In the future, it might be able to watch operations as if you wielded the scalpel or you could travel anywhere while you are lying on a hospital bed. Augmented reality. Augmented reality differs from VR in two respects. Users do not lose touch with reality and it puts information into eyesight as fast as possible. These distinctive features enable augmented reality to become a driving force in the future of medicine, both on the healthcare providers and the receivers side. In case of medical professionals, it might help medical students prepare better for real life operations as well as enable surgeons to enhance their capabilities. Google Glass aids trauma care. Google Glass is a wearable technology with an optical head mounted display that provides information in a smartphone like hands free format. Wearers communicate with the internet via natural language voice command. Healthcare trackers, wearable, and sensors. As the future of medicine and healthcare is closely connected to the empowerment of patients as well as individuals taking care of their own health through technologies, health trackers, wearable, and sensors must be mentioned. Fingertip surgery. A stretchable electric sensor may replace the scalpel and other operating room tools for some surgical procedures. It lets physicians feel electronic activity and slice tissue with their fingertips. Medical tricorder. When it comes to gadgets and instant solutions, there is the great dream of every healthcare professional to have one almighty and omnipotent device with which you can diagnose and analyze every disease. A health check chair. Checking health signs such as blood pressure, temperature, and mobility usually involves multiple tests and can be time consuming. Genome sequencing. In this type of technique, you can get to know valuable information about your drug sensitivity, multifactorial or monogenic medical conditions, and even your family history. Moreover, there are already various fields leveraging the advantages of genome sequencing, such as nutrigenomics, the cross field of nutrition, dietetics, and genomics. That's all about healthcare technology in the medical field. If you missed to watch the previous videos, please watch it soon in our YouTube channel, and also keep supporting us by subscribing our YouTube channel. Put a like and comment to your favorite videos and also share it with your friends and colleagues. We are available in all these social medias. You can also follow us and the links are given below in the description.